Want to know more about Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask Midnight Minis limited edition pack? If yes, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manchikar Hauls and Reviews. Now today from the thumbnail and from the title, y'all must have got a little bit of idea that today I'm going to brief you. I'm going to give you detailed information about this Lineage Midnight Minis Lip Sleeping Mask. This is basically a limited edition pack and I have purchased this particular kit from Myntra. This is easily available on Amazon as well as on Nykaa. The MRP of this particular mini kit is, I guess, 1240 rupees, but when I purchased it from Myntra, it was on 5% discount. So definitely you can keep on checking offers and all, and whatever the buying link and everything is there, I'll be giving you in the description box and it will be pinned. So sorry, not in the description box, I always make a mistake. It will be pinned in the comment section, so don't forget to check that. Right now, when we talk about, first and foremost, I would like to tell you, now you all will think why Meghna is behind the camera, not in front of camera, because right now the product which you are seeing on the screen, it is more important, not my face, because I wanted to focus particularly on this product, and that is why I am behind the camera, not in front of camera, because whenever I am in front of camera, the focus goes on me, not on the product. So that is why I am behind the camera. There is no other reason. Okay, now moving towards the packaging. Like when we talk about the packaging, it comes in this kind of cloud packaging, you can see, and it is very glossy packaging. It's very nice packaging, and on the back side they have given you all the 5 variants name. Okay, whatever they have in this, they have given you all the names, plus they have given you the manufacturing, the expiry, each and every detail is given over here. So if you want, like, you can just keep it safely if you at all want to preserve it, because the packaging is very cute and it stole my heart. In fact, you can say the cloud packaging, you all can see the clouds are here and the packaging is so girly. So I just wanted to tell you first that. Now when we talk about the inner packaging, it comes in this kind of plastic, you all can say, not exactly holder, it is like a plastic holder where all the lip sleeping masks are there. Okay, now when we talk about the variants, which all variants they have in this, first the original go to berry, the second one is sweet candy, the third one is gummy bear, the fourth one is lemon sorbet, and the fifth one is mint choco. Now what I'll do is I'll attach a clipping over here, me opening each and every sleeping mask, that is you all have each and like proper idea. I won't attach a clip, I'll show you each and everything, because if I'll attach a clip then you all will think I have done editing or something. This is the first one. This is the berry, the OG. This is the best selling of this particular Lineage sleeping mask. Okay, when we talk about the second one is sweet candy. It also looks similarly like the berry one, but the color, inside color is different. You all can see. This is the second one, which is sweet candy. Now when we talk about the third one is gummy bear. This is the gummy bear. You can see. This is the gummy bear. The fourth one is lemon sorbet. Right, this is the fourth one. And when we talk about the fifth one is mint choco. This is the fifth one, mint choco. I'll show you after opening also. Yes, this is the new launch product and I have not yet used it. You all can see each and every lip sleeping mask is intact. I have not yet touched, but I have heard lot of things about Lineage, and the Lineage, the berry one was in my wish list from quite a long time in Nykaa's particular app. But then when I saw this limited edition, if you talk about the normal one, that is I think for 8 grams and it retails for 500 rupees. And when we talk about the content in this, each one is for 3 grams. So altogether you are going to get total, you all can see over here, you all can see each one is having 3 grams. So altogether you are going to get 15 grams. So calculation wise if you check, then the OG one, the berry one is little bit cheaper. But when we talk about the variants in this, you are paying little bit extra, but you are going to get the 5 variants to try. and 3 grams for lip sleeping mask is I think more than enough, and you get enough to test. You all can see the jar also over here. It is quite good, you all can see. It is quite good and all. So in all, it is a good deal. And over here you all can see each and every details also they have given, like manufacturing and all I don't think is given over here, but after opening how much time you have to keep, it is given over here. I'll just check and I'll let you know. As far as I know, it is showing me 12 months, but still I'll mention it in the description box so you all can check it out. Okay, so this all details are given over here. The variant name is always given, so you all can see. In this it is not given because this is the OG one, the berry one. So in this it is not given, but rest all if you will check, each and every variant's name is given over here. So in and all, this is a win-win deal. Yeah, little bit costly. So you all can check the offers, you all can check the deals on Nykaa, Amazon as well as on Myntra. Wherever you get the best deal, you can go ahead and you can buy. And as I told you, I will give you the best deal in the comment section, so you can check that as well. Right now I have tried to cover each and every points in this video, but still if you feel I have missed out something or you want to know anything else, you can definitely let me know in the comment section, or else you can DM me in Instagram also. I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen, so please follow me over there, because already one short reel of this is up. So what I always do, short reels and all I generally upload on Instagram, so do follow me over there, don't forget to do that. And if at all you have any other video request or video suggestions, that also you can leave in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And yes, I am again telling you, I am perfect. I have no problems. I am not facing any problem. I don't have any issues, but just I wanted to focus on the product. I am behind the camera. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.